I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. I know it's been long and if you're new, this is but anyways, I'm currently at Starbucks and I'm here to study for my exam that I'll be writing on a Monday. And yeah, just do a little bit of work and then I'll be headed home. I'm so sorry, guys. I've had a hectic life, hectic. But I'm picking up the camera. For you because I love you guys. Like, y'all my digital diary. Why would I do it like that? But like, yeah. And my birthday's coming soon, and I don't have no plans for my birthday. Don't even have an outfit. But guys, maintenance. I'm probably will be cold. I literally don't have plans. But what I do know is that I'll be doing a solo. I'll be doing a solo daytime, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I post or upload a new video. But yeah, Nintendo.
Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Say it. My mind, and my body. My body says it. My mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. Cause you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last till my body's so crazy. All in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Say it. My mind, and my body. My body says it.
Hi guys. Welcome back to the 10th of June, which is my birthday, guys. I'm rushing. I am running late, and I couldn't go about my day without doing an intro. So today's the 10th of June, and it's my birthday. Big girl, big 19, yes sir. But right now I'm just preparing myself up. I have an appointment at 11, and so guys, stay tuned for more. I love you loads. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notification. Oh yeah, on time. Okay. Yeah, guys, ngiyabona ama-birthday wishes bandla ngizoniphendula ngawan. Bye, Taki. I am so late. I'm so late, you guys. I have an appointment at 11 and I'm at entrance 6. Oh my gosh. And it's at entrance 2 and I don't even know the place where I'm going to. Yo. I have spa days, just so y'all know. This door is closing on me. Great.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to ride. Work it in the middle. Change positions. Now stroke it, baby. Stroke it for me. Stroke it for me.
I've arrived and I'm about to change my mind. I don't busy here for I'm about to change and get into my gown.
Every night had to break me and take me to lucid sleep. I had to dream of leaving and loving and fleeing a safe mind. And the walls went cold.
I'm not gonna lie, the session was great. I had a few tense bones here and there, but I overall enjoyed it. Like, I'm just snuggled up and I'm about to prep myself up for a second occasion. But yeah, I enjoyed it, Jim. I enjoyed it. Guys, I'm done with my massage and I'm heading to my second location. Uber guys, no arrow kids. Now I have to walk in heels guys to Langako. Like, what do you call that? But yeah, it's fine. People are looking at me. I know I'm dropped that gorgeous. I look at myself too. But anyways, these heels are killing me. Okay, let's go. This is really it. Upper compliments. Guys, you won't believe me if I told you. Let me come here to success. And it's called CB Aquarium. But guys, hi. Ngiyafisa ukwasingiyapi njalo. Again, guys. Six girl. Ngangiphanisa nginjalo guys. Arrived. Buy foods. Ningangiphangi guys. Buy foods. Angibuyeni sengifike. Sengifika ngeenyawo. Yo. Ingabe emakeke, kaba zamaqoks. Okay guys. My drink is here. Look and get my birthday messages at the looking book. This has something to like guys, no kawan. Kaya special. Ordered a strawberry and mango what stuck array. And guys, feeling about this. Now, I think I want to know with these drinks, do you like mix them or you drink them like this? Or if you mix them, you get the full flavor. Because right now, I'm tasting a lot of things all at once. Guys, love. But like, yeah, give it a solid 5, guys. Yo, like, I'm from the strawberry daiquiri. Because I'm going to but like, yeah. original Rockets burger. It's not that nice, but I'd give it a solid 5. Didn't even finish the whole of it. The chips, I love chips. They're always fire bomb. But like, yeah, now I'm going to Gateway to meet with my big sister. Just a little while, just to see her face card, and then go. So yeah. Oh my sister, welcome to the last day of my vlog. Okay, so this is some Christian yabo. Yeah, Sunbon. Today we are headed to Upos. Something. So we headed to pause for some matcha. Yabo, gay.
Perky, baby, what we finna do? Talking, I'm in love, baby, don't make a fuss.
Guys, I'm finally at Matcha. Pause Matcha, and I'm about to taste the matcha. Because I'm not a huge fan of matcha, so this one better be good. Because the last one I had at Hamburg was horrible. It tasted like grass. Crossing my fingers. Mind you, I'm coming down with the flu, yet it's business day even. Oh ma, this one tastes so good. Like literally. My first matcha was horrible, and now I can't tell a lot from my matcha, but this one, I got it all wrong. I do not know if it's because of the center that it has sweetness inside, guys, but it tastes so good. Okay, you can taste the frosty side, but it's not that bad like the humble one. And the cake too is quite nice. I'm loving it. Definitely recommend it to people. Everybody's doing their own thing. There's no stares, so yeah, I like that. Especially as content creators, we don't like getting stares when you're doing content. So I like a place where you can do anything you like without people having to stare at you. The vibes are okay. And I'm about to also do quick TikToks. I'm just enjoying my birthday weekend, I guess. Like, oh my gosh, it's such a nice day on the 10th of June. Y'all guys showered me with love, the birthday wishes, a nice spa day, a nice brunch. One thing you should have noticed by now about me is that I enjoy going on solo dates. Like I could get out of the house and do a solo and call it a day, and I love that about me. But like, yeah, okay, the girl's looking like a 10 of 10 when I was on fanatic. Y'all guys are my digital diary, honestly. I can taste the grassy side, but it's not like the humble one. Maybe it's the sweetness thing. So I definitely recommend pause. It is a 10. I'd give it a solid 9 because I can still taste the grassy side, but that's matcha, right? But I give it a solid 9. Great, and the surface is great, and the vibes are great too. Like if you wanna like have a chill Sunday, come to Pause Matcha. It's Dopio, Florida Road, Dopio Zero, Florida Road, and you won't regret it. Go that water. And cut. Hey, and action. No, and cut. Guys, if you made it this far, love you loads. This is the end of my vlog. They could look like a 10 over 10 today, hey? But like, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications in case I upload a new video. You know, I've been lacking, I know. Please don't come for me, but girls gotta do what she gotta do to get her life on track. Then pick up the camera, but love you loads. Stay savage, stay fly, stay looking gorge. Love you all.